Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and select a web preset, such as a common desktop size like 1920 pixels wide, or choose custom dimensions. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire design project. Next, you will begin to lay out your artboards, which represent individual pages or different screen sizes for your website. This structured approach ensures a consistent and organized design process from the very beginning. Once your artboards are ready, it is time to populate them with your website's content and visual elements. Utilize the powerful drawing tools to create shapes, text, and images. Remember to leverage components for reusable elements like buttons or navigation bars, saving you significant time and ensuring consistency across your design. Organizing these elements into logical layers and groups will keep your project tidy and easy to navigate as it grows. Now, let's bring your design to life by adding interactivity. Switch to the prototype mode to connect your artboards and define user flows. You can easily create transitions between pages, set up hover states for buttons, and even design complex micro-interactions. This allows you to simulate the user experience, testing how visitors will navigate and interact with your website before any code is written. It is a crucial step for refining usability. The final stage involves testing, sharing, and preparing for development. Use the preview function to experience your prototype as a user would, identifying any areas for improvement. Then, share a link to your interactive prototype with clients or team members for their feedback, making collaboration straightforward. Finally, generate design specifications for your developers, providing all necessary assets and measurements for a smooth and accurate implementation of your vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.